ba, meron pa rin bang kilig factor? Direct. And paano naman kayo, if meron, paano naman yung pakilig nyo dito? Level up na ba?
How much can we share? That's funny. I would say, of course, it's given our characters are already together to show. I would say, though, the difference is that our characters have a very much different relationship dynamic as Elise and Sevi. So that's just something that you'll have to, watch out for, look forward to. But yeah, there will be some kilig factors.
Yeah, like what Derek said, yung si Pat kasi malalim rin siya na tao compare sa sa Chasing in the Wild, which is Sevi, and parang 360 talaga yung pinagkaiba nila. So it's really like different character yung mabibigay ng situation here kasi, and it's basically not pangpakilig yung yung story. It's all about heist. So pero syempre meron pa rin si Pat and Grace ng mga ganun na kilig scenes.
Thank you, thank you.
Just to add lang doon sa character nila, ibang maturity of level yung romance nila dito na kailangan niya umagan. So yun.
Thank you.
Okay, more portrayal. And paano namin mararamdaman na this is also who Atasha is as an actress?
I think what sets this apart from me is that this project is actually going to be showing a very different side of me, that I can guarantee. Because what most people are used to seeing is usually that very jolly, flamboyant, very positive, Tosh. Now we're going towards something a little bit more serious, tackling real life battles, real life things.
So, follow-up question ko lang sa cast. So, since na-mention nga that we'll talk about real-life issues among students, siguro can you give like a patikim anong real-life issue yung ika-cover ng character nyo sa series?
I would say for my character, one of the biggest issues that she deals with, without spoiling of course, she's very challenged by her morals, her moral dilemmas, and the consequences of her actions.
For me, kay Pat siguro yung relationship niya with his dad. Kasi he's the successor, so yung mga hinanakit niya, tsaka yung mga bubog niya towards his relationship with his dad, yun yung pinaka-challenge sa kanya.
Siguro yung sa akin, my family would tackle more about financial problems. And syempre, yung struggle din with having a single parent, kung paano yung dynamics ng relationship namin ng parent ko. So, yeah, yun siguro doon kayo mag-linger towards our story.
So, kay Direk naman, so I'm sure you work with them a lot of times na rin through the production. So, what makes them the perfect people to portray their characters? All four of them.
Pilyo tong apat na to. Sobrang pilyo nilang apat. Ang sarap nilang katrabaho kasi they really love their characters and the whole series. So, sila yung tipo ng mga artista na nakikipag-collaborate just to develop each character na gusto nilang gawin. Yun. And then at the same time, natutuwa sa kanila kasi meron na silang rapport sa bawat isa. Kasi kapag nagbibiroan, lalo na itong katabi ko sa kay nasa dulo, ayun, kung mag-asaran sila, kala ko parang okay, parang magkapatid na talaga. So, nakita ko yung, okay, dito you have a vision of what will happen sa set. And then at the same time na nakikita mo na magtutulungan tong apat na to. And ang good thing nga doon, I do remember kapag nagkukwentuhan kami, for example, si Gab, may mga times na sinasabi niya, direct pinanood ko yung mga ganitong series. What do you think kung ganito, ganyan? Si Tasha, I remember may mga times na may time na kwento niya sa akin na parang you're talking to your dad or to Andres for certain nuances na gagawin. Can you share it? Paano bang nangyari sa situation? Basta parang nagbabas may sa bahay?
Usually, I would make kwento kay Direk yung times na when I would sit down with my dad after work and we would run through the lines. And he would help me with yung nuances ko sa Tagalog. And that's also going to be a fun challenge that I'm super willing and game to tackle.
So thank you so much, everyone. Congratulations again.
Okay, thank
One common question for everyone, na madalas ko rin itanong. Except siguro, of course, sasagot ka rin, Gab, and of course, Haya. Kasi you've been together or you've been working together for a few projects na in the past. Ang tanong ko, your discoveries for each other, working with each other, considering that this is your first time, lalo ni si Tasha at saka si Direk to work with everyone. So, let's start first with Gab.
Sa lahat po. Wait, kay Direk, yeah, I discovered na yung mga favorite horror movies ko, siya pala yung nag-direct. Clarita, one of the scariest horror movies that I've seen, and he's, you know, we always talk about the character of Pat, kung ano yung pwede namin, you know, iba, hindi i-copy-paste for the past Bad Genius, a movie and series, so we want to give him a different, you know, like, personality na pwede namin ipakita, and I really appreciate him because he told us na, I want to see you guys after ng show na to maging, character actor, parang hindi lang ito lang mabibigay niya. I want you guys to see like na meron pala kayong different na mabibigay as an actor, and I really appreciate that when we were doing workshop. Kay Jai, wala, parang sabi nga nito rin, parang magkapatid na kasi kami nito eh. Halos araw-araw kami magkasama, teammate kami sa basketball, and you know, he's one of my closest friend sa showbiz, and he's as real as you can get, one of the most genuine person that I know. And kay Tash, super humble and down to earth. When I first met her dun sa workshop, sobrang bait. Alam mo, hindi mo mafe-feel na parang mulok siya, parang she's just, you know, just being a normal person. I really appreciate her. And of course, kay Haya, we've been working together for this our third project, and I'm really excited for her to, you know, to showcase Grace. Hindi na naman po bagay na bagay sa kanya yung bagong gupit niya ngayon, and and yeah, we're just excited to work on a new project because this is gonna be a different challenge, and we're always up to a new challenge, you know.
Haya?
Hi. I would say for Direk, I have the same thoughts as Gab. And also, I really appreciate na, I don't know, a lot of the films that I've seen in the past, I love that finding out that it was directed by you, they were so beautiful, and also I appreciate how hands-on you are with everything. It really feels like such, I know that I can trust you and your vision, and it's helped us all build like a team together to work on this project, so I really appreciate that. And with Kuya, sorry, nasanay ako from Sitaw, pero what can I say? Wait, what did we find out? I'm not sure how to answer that with everyone. I've been working with you since SSA, and I just love that, you know, he's always super helpful with me and super genuine, and everyone's so genuine. But I appreciate that, and I'm excited to work with you again on this project too. And then with Natasha, oh girl, I have so much love for you already. Like, she's so cool, she is very down to earth, and I appreciate how much she's been there for me, even though we've only, you know, started working together, and I feel like we've connected in some way. So yeah, and then with Gab, of course, you didn't get a new haircut, so I can't say anything about that. But I'm really looking forward to working on this project with you, and I also know that you're gonna kill it. And he's super hardworking, he's very motivated, so I'm already proud of you. And yeah, there you go.
Ash?
Yung discovery ko po, copy and paste sa lahat, sabi nila. Pero to summarize it, working with this group of actors with Gab, Haya, Jai, and Direk, of course, pero mamaya yan, Direk. Sila muna. Working with them three has been such a great experience because ito was your first project, and of course I'm coming into it very nervous and wanting to learn. and they've been nothing but so kind. They made me feel so welcome, and it kind of feels like parang I've been working with them already. It was that sense of family, and they're such grounded, humble artists, and I'm so excited for all of you guys to see what they're gonna provide in this project. Pero as for Direk, yung discovery ko kay Direk, grabe, sobrang masipag. I see the work that he puts in, his attention to detail, and he really makes sure to guide all of us and make sure that we're ready the day of shooting, which is gonna be next week. Thank you, Direk. Thank you so much, talaga, for always making sure that we can rely on you and just lean on you. Thank you.
Yeah, kay Gab, Discovery. Siyempre tagal na rin namin kasama ni Gab. Like, before the series, magkasama na kami with the basketball game. So, no new discoveries. Siguro meron is that hindi lang ako. Lahat tayo mag-discover yung different side of Gab this time. No? Doing Chasing in the Wild, doing other projects. And this time, a different Gab siguro papanood natin dito. Also with Daya, this is her third project. No? Makikita natin yung differences from Sitaw and then yung ginawa nila. And so far, wala naman new discoveries with the both of them kasi like, we're still doing Avenues of the Diamonds ngayon, which is yung book 4 ng University series. So, magkakasama naman kami. With Dash, sobrang nagulat ako that she's really down to earth. She's really humble. And sobrang grabe siya mag-work hard. She's really into this series. She works everything sa character niya. Like, sa workshop, may sinabi, susunod na araw, na-apply niya na. So, grabe, sobrang hands down ako kay Tash doon. She really loves what she's doing. And syempre kay Direk, same with Gab. Isa sa mga reason na napanood ko na horror was yung Malyari. I didn't know na siya pala yung gumawa nun. It was really nice. And excited ako kasi si Direk very collaborative. Very detailed siya. So, anong gusto niyang mangyari sa characters. And sobrang grateful ako for that dahil at least alam ko kung saan ako papunta. Alam ko kung ano yung mga dapat at hindi ko dapat gawin. And excited ako kasi syempre hindi to horror. So excited ako kung ano yung magiging outcome ng collaboration namin lahat. And especially working with them.
Correct?
Oh, sobrang excited ako to work with them. Kasi tayo dito, kapag magkakasama kasi kami, naging kulitan eh. Naging masaya sila kasama. I mean, of course, di ba, nawawala yung walls mo na dito as a director and them as an actor. Everything becomes collaborative, which is so important for me kasi sabi ko nga, at the end of the day, sila yung makikita, hindi ako eh. Di ba? I will guide them through kung saan sila dapat pumunta or saan dapat papunta yung buong material. Pero basically, it was them who needs to work hard para marating yun. And I'm so grateful na sila yung for the second series that I will do and for a big franchise na tulad dito ng Bad Genius that I was given an opportunity to work with these actors. I mean, si Tash, mukha lang kuya nga na pero pilya yan. Si Haya yan, tatahimik sila dalawa. Itong dalawang lalaki na to, I mean, during special kahit backstage or kahit saan, kung magkulitan, kala mo minsan parang hinihintay ko lang talaga magsuntukan itong dalawa na kung magkulitan eh. Sobrang pilya sa isa't isa eh. But yun yung natutuwa akong makita sila kasi alam mo lang na nag-gel na sila as a group and alam mo lang na malaki yung itutulong nun kung paano nila dadalhin yung material. Yun. And at the same time, kapag nagdi-discuss kami, natutuwa ko na parang how they really want to give a different personality to each character. I don't want to say just to learn kasi parang kapag yun sa bagay na kasi alam kong inaaral nila eh. Mayroon ako nakikitang naka-notepad, may mga sticky notes yung iba. Alam mo nung na talagang they really want to learn and to study their material and their character as well. And ako naniwala ko na they would give justice to each character na na-assign sa kanila.
May sisingit lang ako, Clips, no? Direct, totally, this is a total turnaround sa pinanggalingan ng genre, which is horror. Anong kaibahan, and then the adjustment that you have to make. And then of course, Tasha, are you open to love teams? Thank you.
Hindi po ba horror to? Parang horror to? Parang mali yata. Yung pinig siya akin, horror to, di ba? Hindi po, for one thing po, well, for me, it's one of the challenges po eh. I mean, as a director, I always want to prove myself and I want to challenge myself na hindi lang ito yung material na kaya kong gawin. I think that's also one of the, parang yun naman ang goal ng bawat director. So, to be given a chance to direct a material like this at Bad Genius, and then ibang-iba siya, I mean, nakaka-excite ng sobra na parang, okay, ano ba yung pwede kong gawin? And then to the point na parang you study each version of the series, and then ano pa yung pwede mong baguhin. And then you study also the personality, not just of the character, but the actors as well. Kasi, syempre, kung ano sila as a person, doon ako hugot sa kanila eh, for them to become dun sa mga character na gagampanan nila. And for me, yun yung mga exciting part for this. And I remember that we have a lot of discussions on how we're going to change yung buong series of what the other franchise already offer, yung other versions niya, na parang saan ba natin ito dadalhin? I mean, alam na natin lahat kung paano mangyayari yung heist from school hanggang sa naging national level. So parang ano ba yung pwede pa natin baguhin? So yun yung mga bagay na parang dinagdag namin sa material. Parang the relationship of Haika, for example, ni Pat at ni Hayase, yung kung dito, anong level na ba sila from this series na ginawa nila before, okay, baka pwede natin iangat sa ganitong klase na ng relationship meron sila. Yung mga ganong bagay. And then also for Tash, kasi for Tash, ang hirap ng character ni Lynn. I do remember, parang, di ba may discussion tayo na parang the first time that we discussed is parang pinag-uusapan natin kung paano yung pwedeng gawin sa character. And then one thing that I really love for Tasha noong time na yun, she was open. Parang naalala ko pati buhok, pinag-usapan namin parang baguhin yung buhok mo, yung pwede mong ganito, ano bang pwede mong damit, lahat. Pati makeup niya, pati tingin niya, yun yung mga ganang bagay. If you remember kanina, ito, yung piniplay namin, the look test. Tag dito, as in, inaral namin, sige, paano pwedeng baguhin yung tsura dito ni Tasha? Or paano ba yung tsura dito ni Gab? Yung mga ganon. Ito po, wala ko ito sa pusa lang to. But anyway, so yun, inaral talaga namin. And then even the staff, the costume design, the production design, each color and each palette that we used, we made sure that there's a meaning about it. We're not just gonna show you a visual na parang, ito yung nakikita namin. No. We have each color and design na parang unique for each character. Para hindi nyo man ma-verbalize ng viewers kung ano yun, mararamdaman nila kung ano yung gusto namin